Welcome back to this lesson. In this video, we'll be looking at other terminologies that we have in digital marketing. Let's look at number 6, audience. Now, your audience refers to the persona a business wants to market its product or services to. It can majorly be classified into demographics, which include gender, age, race, education, profession, occupation, income level, or marital status. Number 7, call to action, or otherwise known as CTA. Now, call to action refers to words that urge a reader, a listener, or a viewer of a digital promotion to carry out an action, an immediate one at that. Example is click here, buy now, subscribe to my YouTube videos. You must have come across a lot of that. Number 8 is creatives. Now, creatives refer to any design material that is used to communicate brand message. An example is a tweet, or a video, or a flyer that you come across on social media platforms. Number 9 is engagement. Engagement refers to the action that audience or followers on social media take to interact with your post. Examples are likes, shares, comments, and tags. Number 10 is conversion. This refers to the act of converting a visitor on a website or social media profile to a paying customer. So when somebody visits your website and they finally pay for your product, that is a successful conversion. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about media in digital marketing. Stay tuned.